Hello, good morning. We're having our family brunch at Tom Blackford, Overlook, Singapore. August 14, 2026. Let's listen point. Very tired namin. Completely listen point. 74 years old Singaporean retired. With his Richard Aberdeen. Here is recent share. Enjoy foods. It's unlimited foods. We're sleeping. We're having a bihon with bean soup with chicken sticks and ham. Enjoy Singapore, our family brunch. August 14, 2026. Something is not right happening here, people. So disgusting. Something is wrong here. Okay, enjoy Singapore.